Snapchat has introduced a fun new feature that allows you to insert yourself into videos and GIFs. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat Cameos. Now let's get started. To begin, launch Snapchat and open a text chat with one of your friends. Then tap the smiley face icon at the bottom. Scroll down to the Cameos section and tap one you'd like to use. Now you'll need to snap a selfie to insert. Try not to smile and keep your expression neutral. Line up your face with the blue outline on your screen and tap the camera button. Then select a body. Tap Continue. The Cameo feature will then analyze your selfie to figure out where your facial features are and will animate your expressions automatically to go along with the particular cameo you've selected. If you're happy with how your selfie looks, tap Use this selfie. If not, tap Retake Selfie to try again. You can then choose to allow two-person cameos if you want to include your friends in them and allow your friends to include you in theirs. Once you're done, you'll see all the cameos you can choose to insert yourself into, with a preview of what it will look like with your face in it. To preview one of these full screen, tap More. Then select View Full Screen. If you like it, tap the send icon in the bottom right corner to send the cameo to the friend you're in this chat with. In your Snapchat settings, you can change who can use your Cameo selfie if you want to allow your friends to create two-person cameos with your face in them. You can also clear your Cameo selfie if you ever want to delete it or take a new one. That's all it takes to use Snapchat's new Cameo feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.